So guys, this is how our campsite is looking like. There's absolutely nothing as yet. We're still setting up. I tried to do the air bed, pump it by myself, but it's giving me issues. So somebody went to pump it up, and then yeah, you can see the whole room tour once it's done. But this is my view at this point. This is my view. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kaia, and if you're tuning in for the first time today, welcome to it. I'm back with another video today, and I'm in Bronkhorspruit. This other place called Kaia. I don't know how to say it, but I can almost spell it for you. It's spelled K-A-I-Z-A. Yeah, it's a resort here, and it's quite nice. It's beautiful, guys. Like, the views are so amazing, and it's packed with a lot of white people. Like, I've seen, like, we're literally the only white people, black people here, but it's quite amazing. It's chilled. We're here for camping, and everything you've seen in the past videos, I was just having fun. Like, it's my first time camping, guys, and trust you me, I'm having a good time. Like, it's fun. I don't know, I was expecting whole camper, but it's quite comfortable. It's nice. I think for a first time camper, this is it, to camp at a resort, and I'm enjoying it. So guys, out here, like, it's getting cold and all that, so I've got my jacket. It was raining earlier on, but the sun came out, and now we are here. The vibes are nice. It's easy. It's going down. The goal is nice. So I hope you guys are good. Like, it's chill. It's chill vibes. The vibes are